At 6 p.m., the polling percentage stands at 91.87%. So 91.87% is the polling percentage. It's much higher than the previous polling percentage, which was 90.46. So there's a marked, increase in the polling percentage, which stands at 91.87%. There could be marginal increase slightly, but 91.87 is what is the polling percentage as at 6 p.m. So by and large, the entire polling process was very peaceful, and voters turned up in large numbers, as you've seen as is evident from the from the poll percentage. The participation of women was significant, as we all know that even against the total enrolled electorate of 34,783, females accounted for 17,687 in terms of enrollment, and males at 17,096. So even in right from the enrollment also, the women voters they were much higher than the male counterparts, and also today in the participation also, women participation was significantly much higher. There was brisk polling in the morning, and right through to the early part of noon, and then post noon things were a bit slower, but then it picked up again. But most of the polling took place during the early morning hours and in the first part of the day. So as per the figures that we have received, there are 3 polling stations: Maumaram B, Karongoi, and Nonglinkmen. These 3 recorded in excess of 96%. Maumaram B was 96.49, Karongoi was 96.45%, and the third polling station was 96.38%. So 3 polling stations recorded votes in excess of 96%. Till the time that we received the reports, the lowest polling station, in terms of voting percentage, was Rinli, which about 73.22%, but it would have increased, I think, because polling was still going on. Of course, now all 63 polling stations, polling has been closed.